IG, but everyone calls me Nige, so you can call me Nige. So today we're gonna drink, cause why not? It's Friday somewhere. Today we're gonna be doing pineapple rumsicles. I literally had this idea yesterday. Probably 100 different people have done it. So if you want to see how we got these rum popsicles, just keep on watching. So we're gonna start off with our Smirnoff Ice Smash Pineapple and Coconut. I found this at a gas station and I kind of thought it was pretty good, so we're gonna use that. And use all of that. We're gonna use some fresh pineapple juice. You pour that in there, okay? Now my best friend, Bacardi, okay? Now I, knowing me, would just pour, but I'm gonna be actually like nice. And we're gonna use a half a cup of that, okay? And then just a nice little twirl, how you would make Kool-Aid, you know, just give it a nice little. All right, so literally like this mixture takes like 2 seconds to make. You're gonna get yourself some popsicle holders. That took me forever and a day to find. And we're just gonna pour. Now I'm gonna do some without fresh pineapple, but then I'm gonna do 3 with some pineapple, just so there's a variety. My mother loves pineapples, so we're just gonna load these up with some pineapple. And yep, there we go. I'm just gonna pour these on top. Okay. And then we're gonna seal these up and put them in the freezer and see how they come out.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so I kind of forgot they were in the freezer. So they're really like icicle-y, but they came out pretty good. What the? Pineapples look really good in it and everything. That's so cool. Ooh! I can get jiggy with this. I'm gonna get jiggy with this. Y'all gotta try this. Do this!
So if you like this super easy recipe for how to make pineapple rumsicles, go ahead and leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.